Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of IntelliJ IDEA, that is version 2025.2 on a Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how you can easily use this IntelliJ IDEA for Java programming. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here IntelliJ IDEA download. Hit enter. So that will show you this jetbrains.com. So just simply go to their official site. So this link I'm going to provide right in our channel description. Once when you are here, you will see that our IntelliJ IDEA is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So we want to download it for Windows, so that's why I'm going to stay on Windows tab. And there are two versions of IntelliJ IDEA. One is IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate one, and when you scroll down, you will get this IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. And the version is version 2025.2. So we want to download the community edition, which is also a free edition. So you need to click on this download button and immediately it's going to start downloading our IntelliJ IDEA. So here you can see it is rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it, so that's why I'm going to cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see that our IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is already been downloaded over here, and the file size is 942 MB. So to install, just simply double click on that installer, and it's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. You can minimize your download directory. So welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup. Just simply click on next. So this is where our IntelliJ IDEA is going to be installed, and you can see you need to have 3.5 gigs of free space on your C drive, so that's minimum you need to have. So just check that once and click on next. So here under installation options, these are all checkboxes that you are provided with. So I'll recommend you to select this first one, so that will create a desktop shortcut. I'll also recommend you to select this add open folder as project, so that's going to give you one more option when you right click. So that's going to give you one more option to open any folder as a project right on IntelliJ IDEA. So that's what this button is for, and I'm going to select all these different languages because so that every single language like Java, Gradle, Groovy, Kotlin, POM, everything it supports on IntelliJ IDEA. Alright, so that's why I recommend you to select everything. And this is the most important one, that is add bin folder to path, so that it will automatically set the bin folder path to the environment variable. So that's a very important step, so don't forget to check that, and I recommend you to select everything literally. So do that and click on next. So it's going to create a JetBrains folder, which is totally fine. Click on install. So immediately you're going to see that it's rightly started installing. So it's going to take a couple of minutes to install IntelliJ IDEA. So let's come back once when it is done. So we'll come back. So now you can clearly see that our IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is rightly installed. You can see the desktop shortcut also getting created over here. So you can just simply check this run IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition option and click on finish. So that's going to immediately launch our IntelliJ IDEA. So you can see it's rightly started opening, and there you go. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA. You can maximize this. So here let's see how we can create a project and how we can start working on Java. So for that you need to click on this new project. That will open this new project window. Here you need to provide your project name. So let's give the project name as Hello World. And here you can see that I already have Java, so that's why it is already showing this detected Java JDK version 24. But if you don't have Java installed on your system, then you can always download it by just simply clicking on this button or this button. So both will going to download your Java and going to install it and set it up for you. So IntelliJ IDEA are going to do that. Alright, so no need to worry. Since I already have Java installed and I have already made a video about that previously, so you can manually install Java as well by following that video. Totally your wish. So now that my Java is already there and it is detected, so I don't need to do anything. I'll just simply keep everything as a default and just going to simply click on create. So that's going to immediately start creating our Java project right on IntelliJ IDEA. So you can see it's right started doing that, updating indexes and all. And there you go. So you can see that our main.java file is rightly opened. So you can maximize this. So you can see that our project is rightly opened over here. So here is our project hello world and here is our src folder. So when you expand this, you will get a main.java file. So that exact file is opened over here. You can see it is properly opened, right? And they have already given a demo code here as well. So this is our class main, which has a main method. So this main method is this block of code. So here first what we are doing is we are just simply printing this hello and welcome note to your console, and then it just simply prints 1 to 5 natural numbers. So you can see a loop is there, so it starts from 1 and it runs till 5, and it just simply prints 1 2 3 4 5. So that's all it is doing. All right, so you can keep it default for the very first time and just simply click on this run button. That will immediately start building our project. You can see in the notification bar it is building it, and once when it is done, you can see it right on our console, right? Hello and welcome, and then 1 to 5 natural numbers. So if you want to modify anything, let's say you want to delete this loop and you want to have a customized note, so you can write something like hello world, I love pizzas. So you can write anything you want. So write that, click on this run button again. It's going to start building again. And once when it is done, you're going to see the output coming, right? Hello world, I love pizzas. Everybody loves pizzas. So in this way, you can easily install latest version of IntelliJ IDEA. I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free, along with detailed source code also you are going to get on our official geekyscript.com website. So you can literally copy and paste and learn from this tutorial, which will only help you learn more about Python. So yeah, so do check out all these different videos. I have a playlist for WordPress or Visual Studio Code, so you can check out everything on my channel. I'm sure you're going to love them. And lastly, special thanks to the supporters of our channel. We are truly grateful to you guys. Supports like this really motivate us to create and improving these videos. Again, thanks a lot for being an essential part of our journey. So yeah, so that's pretty much all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.